Hey, hi, I am Fawad, and you are watching my technical channel, Technical Fawad. So, today we are discussing about how to do car insurance in USA, California. We will discuss in details. So, here are some points you should know about. Number one, first, you should know about insurance. Getting car insurance in the USA, specifically in California, involves several steps to ensure you are compliant with the state's law and adequately covered in case of accidents and other incidents. Here are a general guide on how to do it. So here are some steps you should follow. First, you should follow gather information. This is the first uh, in general guide. Before you start shopping for car insurance, you will need some information ready, including your driver's license, vehicle registration, vehicle identification number (VIN), and information about your driving history. And the second is research insurance providers. Look for reputable car insurance providers in California. You can search online, ask for recommendations from friends and family, or even consult consumer reviews to get an idea of the best options. Get quotes. Contact different insurance companies to get quotes. Most companies offer online quotes tools on their website. Make sure to provide accurate information to get an accurate quote. You will typically need to know details about your vehicle, your driving history, and your coverage options you are interested in. Compare, cover, compare coverage and costs. Compare the coverage option and cost from different insurance providers. Consider factors like the type of coverage, liability, collision, and comprehensive, etc. Coverage limits, deductibles, and any additional features or discounts they might offer. Now, meet state requirement. California has specific requirements for minimum liability coverage. You need to have at least the following coverage limit. Number first is $15,000 for injury or death to one person, $30,000 for injury death to more than one person, and $5,000 for property damage. Consider additional coverage. While meeting the state minimum requirement is essential, you might want to consider additional coverage options like collision, comprehensive, uninsured, underinsured, motorist coverage, and medical payment coverage for extra protection. Bundle policies and discount. Inquire about discount that insurance provider offer. This could include discounts for bundling multiple insurance policies like home, auto, safe driving record, anti-theft device, good student discount, and more. Finalize the policy. Once you have chosen a provider and coverage that suit your need, you can finalize the policy. Might involve signing documents, making an initial payment, and providing any additional information to the insurance company requires. Proof of insurance. California law requires you to have proof of insurance in your vehicle at all the time. The insurance company will provide you with an insurance card that you should keep in your car. Stay informed. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your policy. Pay attention to renewal dates and stay updated with any changes or adjustment in your coverage. Remember, the process might vary slightly depending on the insurance provider you choose. It's important to read and understand the policy thoroughly before committing to it. If you are unsure about any aspect, don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification from the insurance company. So, this was all about how to do car insurance in USA, California. We will discuss more Kindly like, comment, and share my video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.